Brandon's YouTube friends. This is BFD. Brandon's going to cut down a tree today. Here he goes.
You should sit down, BFD, before you fall. Probably thought would be nice.
Well, you wanted to cut it with the bow saw. Get some exercise for your big flabby muscles.
Excuse me?
Let's go. Burn the daylight here.
Shut up, Gabe.
That's John Wayne to you, son.
We're going to do 2 videos today, actually, because I haven't got it here. Son of a bitch. Barking?
Whining.
Tell them about it. Son of a bitch. I think I'm through.
Through as in done?
No, as in I think I can knock it over. I did a lot of cutting today too. Not just on camera either. See, my dad's trying to get me a favor, but I can see what's gonna happen now. I'll fall out of my chair. So here's a good one for good views.
Of course, he has a lateral support here to help hold him in. He's got this support here to hold him in. He has a seat belt on. His feet are strapped in, but he's going to fall out of the chair.
What up?
Saw one of your favorite aides today.
Who?
Kate. McDonald's.
I had no comment to that thing because I have it on camera. And I don't want to get in trouble, so I'll keep my thoughts to myself.
You should keep your socks to yourself. Nobody else wants your socks.
My thoughts.
Socks. Thoughts?
F.
T. Thoughts start with T. Thoughts. Not thoughts.
I'm trying to do some work, okay?
Just trying to get some conversation to the video so it's not so boring.
Why don't you talk about the roof and the windshield hole? How you put that on there?
Well, I'm putting a roof on the shed. And it already has a skylight in it for a windshield.
What?
What are you talking about? Come on.
I'm talking about the side by side.
Get some work done here today.
Then
Less talk, more work. Yeah, a couple weeks ago, the windshield came in for Brandon side by side, and him and Scott were going to Burger King for supper, so I thought, while they're gone, I'll do the windshield myself. So I did. I didn't do a bad job either.
it didn't fall off yet.
No, not yet. Just lost a part that we can't see very well, and Scott found it for me. I was able to get that back in there, a little bracket. And then Scott came and we put the roof on, and glad he came because I wouldn't have been able to do it myself. No, definitely a two-man job.
When do you put the doors on next week?
Next year? Yeah.
Wait.
Well, you keep spending money next year.
No, I'm done spending
Oh,
money.
I want this, Dad, and I want that.
What do I want?
Let's see, what did you want? Well, you wanted a new editor for YouTube. That was $60-some. Then he wanted a cover for his Amazon Fire Stick. Nice, pretty red one. I think I'll get a purple one since I'm of the rainbow community. Just kidding, just kidding. Not gay. My truck's purple, kind of. Actually, it's boysenberry blue, but it looks purple.
Alright, guys. Alright.
I think Brandon has a cramp.
You pour that cam out for a second.
Do what with it?
Move it so people can see it.
See what?
I can't see it.
What do you want them to see?
My body, okay? Now with CP, I've been cutting wood all day pretty much. I started about 11 o'clock. And there's pine trees back there. My dad cut down last year. And I found it, I waited till they died, and then I cut them up today. A little bit here and there. Well, holy shit, talk about out of shape a little bit. But we'll get it back in shape and we'll get this done here. And maybe I'll let my dad do some cutting, huh?
We're rolling here, Brandon. Don't be looking at me. You got this shock collar for the dog here? So when he's barking or aggravating us, we can just give him a little vibration or a whistle, or if he's being real bad, and give him a little zap, like a little taser stuff. I'm thinking of getting one for Brandon. So when he pisses me off, I can just give him a little zap. Like for about 10 minutes or so.
Alright guys, I'm gonna pause this video right here for now.
He's afraid I'm gonna zap him.
And when I get closer to the other end, I'll turn it back on for you guys. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back to cutting the tree. Brandon's about a third of the way through, maybe a little more. 2/5. Maybe 5/8. No, that's more than half. 3/8. He's doing pretty good. Might have to run it in extra fast motion to get it under the hour limit here.
Ow.
Pretend you're with a woman. Nice long strokes. I meant stroking her hair, of course.
Yeah, huh?
Nice steady rhythm.
It's time for me to use my back muscles. But obviously at this angle, I can't do that. What do you think, I can push it over?
No.
Bet you $10 I can.
No.
$10.
No.
I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's coming down now. My hand's already beeped. You hear that?
Yeah.
Somebody was here.
No. Wasn't here.
I know.
It was down a road further.
Okay, I'm gonna do a third part. I'm going to do a third part, and when this is about to tip over, I'll turn it back on.
Okay, we're back again.
Alright guys, if my dad can point the camera up towards the tree, up higher on the tree, you can see it moving a little bit. And if I die, I want everything to go to Elizabeth Doors. Nah. One thing about Bucky Ray Smith told me one time to keep your head up high or keep your head up. So that's what I'm doing. They call him bucking for short.
Fucking Billy Ray. Let me give it a little push.
I can push it.
You have to push it that way.
Where's it at?
Where's what at?
The zapper.
It's in your pouch.
Oh. Easy. Well,
Timber!
if you went down and grabbed the camera one more time. No, don't do that. No.
It's stuck on a tree.
I know what I want to get a view of this. Hit the zoom button too on the back of that. You can see how I got it stuck on here like this. And I did that for a reason. Can you see that? Can you guys see this? Right here.
They're saying yes.
Alright. So, if you see how I did this so that it wouldn't hit me in the foot. And that tree, and not that tree right there, hit me and saved me. Well, that's when you're pointing at it, so how can I help you? But you see how that landed on that tree? I did that on purpose. So now I'm going to finish cutting this off. And then that stuff is on to get my side-by-side out and pull it out of here, but I probably won't put that on camera. I got a nice cane that I'm going to use. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
I came from my grandpa Chuck. And so that's got to be pretty old. It was all rusty. But I probably, I don't know if I should or not, I probably won't. I'm going to do it anyway. But the next tree I'll probably do is that one right there, 12 o'clock, eventually.
He means that one there.
That's up to my dad if that's okay or not. He'll probably tell me no. Right?
And usually when people tell me what I'm going to say, I usually say it. So, no.
But I want to give a awesome thank you for watching the videos lately. The numbers are going up a little bit here and there. And I really appreciate that, especially the subscribers.
So now would be a good time to hit like and subscribe.
Yes.
And hit the little bell so you get notifications.
Exactly. And it's over and out with the BFD, and I'll see you guys on the other side.
A big shout out to Mike Morgan.